There is a moment in early summer when you look at your backyard and realize it could be beautiful if only it felt a little more private, a little more like a hidden retreat instead of a stage everyone can see into. Most people assume creating that feeling means spending thousands on fencing or waiting years for hedges to grow. It does not, but here is what I want you to think about right now. When you picture your ideal backyard, what is the one thing you wish you could hide from view? A neighbor's window, a busy street, an ugly fence you did not put up. Hold that image in your mind because every single DIY we are about to cover is designed to solve exactly that problem for pocket change. If you are new here, welcome to Timeless Gardening, where we believe a stunning garden should never require a second mortgage. Today I am walking you through 10 Dollar Tree DIY privacy screen and trellis ideas that will make your backyard look expensive this summer. And the very first one is so fast you can finish it before lunch and still have time to sit back and enjoy the transformation. To DIY number 1. The Bamboo Stake Garden Obelisk. This is one of the easiest privacy solutions you will ever build, and it works because it draws the eye upward instead of trying to block it horizontally. Dollar Tree sells packs of bamboo stakes in their garden section, the long green ones meant for staking tomatoes and dahlias. For this project you need 6 to 8 stakes per obelisk. Gather them together at the top, about a foot from the ends, and bind them tightly with jute twine or zip ties. Then spread the bottom ends apart so the stakes form a tall teepee shape, each leg about 18 to 20 inches from its neighbor. Push the legs firmly into the soil of a large planter or directly into a garden bed. The structure now stands about 5 to 6 feet tall, and this is where the transformation begins. Plant fast-growing climbing vines at the base of each leg. Morning Glory, Black-Eyed Susan vine, or climbing nasturtiums will race up those bamboo poles within weeks. By mid-July the entire obelisk is a column of green foliage and flowers, creating a vertical privacy element that blocks sightlines without making the space feel closed in. You can also weave additional twine between the stakes in a loose spiral to give the vines more to grab onto as they climb. The entire project costs under $5 and takes less than an hour. That is the beauty of a budget garden transformation. It does not require expensive trellises from a catalog. It just requires bamboo stakes and the willingness to let nature do the rest. DIY number 2. The Lattice Panel Privacy Screen. Dollar Tree carries small plastic or wood lattice panels in their garden section during the summer months, and these little panels are the building blocks of something much larger. Individually they are modest, maybe a foot wide and 2 feet tall, but when you zip tie 4 or 6 of them together into a larger grid, they become a freestanding privacy panel that rivals what home improvement stores sell for $40 or more. The key to making this work as a temporary privacy solution is the base. You do not need to dig post holes or pour concrete. Take 2 large plastic planters from Dollar Tree, fill them with sand or gravel for weight, and insert a sturdy wooden dowel or broom handle into each one. Attach your connected lattice panels to these 2 posts using zip ties or wire. The whole structure stands on its own, fully movable, fully temporary, and when summer ends you can disassemble it and store the pieces flat. The lattice panels provide partial privacy while still letting light and air flow through, which keeps your patio from feeling like a closed box. You can even spray paint the lattice in a dark color before assembling to give it a more premium finished look. Grow a few clematis vines or climbing roses at the base and within a single season you have a living privacy wall that looks like it cost far more than it did. DIY number 3. The Tension Rod and Fabric Panel Divider. If you have a porch with posts or a balcony with walls on 2 sides, this idea might be the fastest privacy transformation on the entire list. Dollar Tree sells small tension rods in the home section, the extendable kind that lock into place with a simple twist. They also sell outdoor tablecloths with flannel backing in the party section, which are waterproof, opaque, and surprisingly substantial. Mount a tension rod between 2 porch posts or across a balcony opening. Clip a tablecloth onto the rod using curtain rings, or simply drape it over and secure the edges with small binder clips. In under 10 minutes you have a soft fabric privacy wall that blocks the neighbor's view completely, and can be taken down just as fast when you want the open air back. For a more polished look, use 2 tablecloths side by side so the panel spans a wider opening without gaps. Because it is completely temporary with no screws and no drilling, it works perfectly for renters, condo balconies, and anyone whose HOA has rules about permanent structures. The fabric panels come in solid colors that look clean and intentional, and the whole setup costs under $10. This is one of those easy garden privacy ideas that seems almost too simple, and that is exactly why it works so well. DIY number 4. The hula hoop arch trellis. I want you to walk past the toy section at Dollar Tree and look at a hula hoop differently after this. A hula hoop is just a ring of plastic tubing, but cut it in half and you have 2 perfect arches that can completely change how your garden feels. Take 2 large planter boxes or buckets, place them about 3 feet apart along a pathway or at the edge of your patio. Insert the ends of one hula hoop half into the soil of each planter so it forms a graceful arch overhead. Do the same with a second hoop a few feet further down, so the arches create a tunnel effect. Now plant climbing flowers or beans at the base of each arch. They grow, they follow the curve of the hoop and eventually meet at the top, creating a living tunnel that feels like something out of a storybook garden. The arch provides vertical privacy by defining a threshold, a visual signal that says you are entering a different, more intimate space. It is a simple budget transformation that uses a child's toy to create one of the most charming garden features you can build. And it takes about 30 minutes from start to finish. DIY number 5. The tomato cage obelisk with twine. Dollar Tree tomato cages are basic wire cones meant to support vegetable plants, but when you flip one upside down and wrap it with jute twine, it becomes something entirely different and surprisingly elegant. Flip the cage so the wide ring is at the top, and the narrow prongs are pushed into the soil or into a planter. Wrap jute twine around the wire frame in a spiral pattern from bottom to top, tying it off at intervals every few inches. The twine gives climbing plants something to grip as they grow, and it also softens the industrial look of the metal cage so it blends into the garden instead of standing out. Place one of these obelisks in a large container. Plant a flowering vine at its base, and within weeks you have a sculptural column of green. Group 3 of them in a row along a patio edge and they form a privacy screen that feels intentional and artistic rather than improvised. This is one of those fast garden projects that costs about $3 per obelisk and looks like something you would find at a high-end nursery. The temporary nature of it means you can rearrange your privacy layout every season without any permanent commitment. DIY number 6. The bamboo blind vertical screen. Dollar Tree bamboo roll-up blinds are typically used on windows, but rotate them 90 degrees and they become something far more useful for your garden. Unroll a bamboo blind and mount it vertically between 2 posts, along a chain-link fence or against a railing. The bamboo slats create a natural woven texture that looks nearly identical to reed fencing, which garden centers sell for $20 to $30 per panel. The Dollar Tree version costs $1.25. String 3 or 4 of them side by side using zip ties or wire, and you have a continuous natural privacy screen that blends beautifully with garden surroundings. The warm tone of the bamboo adds an organic element that feels both rustic and refined. Because they are lightweight and mounted with temporary zip ties or hooks, the whole setup is fully removable. At the end of the season you can roll them up and store them in the garage. This is budget privacy that genuinely looks more expensive than it is, and it takes about 20 minutes to install. Now before we continue I want to ask you something. Of these first 6 DIYs, which one fits your space best? Are you working with a balcony that needs a fabric panel divider, or a backyard that could use a row of bamboo blind screens? Tell me in the comments and include what kind of outdoor space you are working with. I read every one of those and it helps me know what to cover next. DIY number 7. The Macrame plant hanger privacy curtain. This idea combines 2 things that are trending in garden design right now: vertical planting and soft textile privacy screens. Dollar Tree sells jute rope in the craft section, and with basic knotting you can create simple macrame plant hangers that hold small pots at staggered heights. Even if you have never tied a macrame knot before, a basic square knot is all you need, and there are countless free tutorials online that can teach you in 5 minutes. String a tension rod across a porch opening or between 2 posts. Hang 5 or 6 of these macrame plant holders from the rod, each one holding a small pot with a trailing plant like string of pearls, ivy or creeping jenny. The plants hang at different levels, some higher, some lower, and as they grow the foliage cascades downward and outward. What you end up with is a living curtain, a privacy screen made of plants that shifts gently in the breeze and filters sunlight beautifully. The transformation from bare rod to lush green curtain takes about a month of growth, but the visual payoff is worth the wait, and because everything hangs from a tension rod it is completely temporary. No holes, no hardware, no trace left behind when you take it down. DIY number 8. The plastic tablecloth strip screen. This is one of the most playful budget privacy ideas I have come across, and it works especially well for balconies, porch edges, and any spot where you want partial privacy without blocking the breeze. Dollar Tree plastic tablecloths come in a range of colors, including frosted clear options that diffuse light beautifully. Cut a tablecloth into long vertical strips from the bottom up, stopping a few inches from the top so the strips stay connected to each other. Hang the uncut top edge from a tension rod or a wire strung between two posts. The strips hang down like a beaded curtain but softer and quieter, and they move with the wind in a way that feels light and airy rather than heavy and confining. The frosted version obscures the view from outside without darkening your space, which is perfect for small areas where you still want natural light. For extra visual interest, use 2 tablecloths in different colors and alternate the strips. When summer ends or you want a different look, the whole thing comes down in seconds. This is a fast, easy transformation that costs about $3 total, and it is surprisingly elegant in person. DIY number 9. The wooden dowel and twine trellis grid. Dollar Tree sells wooden dowels in the craft section, and when you arrange them in a grid pattern, they become a trellis panel that looks handcrafted and rustic. Take 6 dowels and lay 3 vertically and 3 horizontally so they form a square grid with evenly spaced intersections. Secure each intersection with jute twine, wrapping it tightly in a crisscross pattern and knotting it at the back so the front looks clean and intentional. The finished trellis panel is lightweight, about 2 feet square, and has a farmhouse charm that expensive metal trellises cannot replicate. Lean it against a fence or wall and plant a climbing vine at its base. Attach several panels together with zip ties to create a larger privacy screen that spans an entire wall. You can even insert the bottom ends of the vertical dowels into a planter box filled with soil so the entire trellis stands upright on its own without any additional support. The materials cost about $4 per panel, and the handcrafted look gives your garden a custom designer feel. This is one of those easy garden projects that looks far more involved than it actually is. DIY number 10. The garden flag privacy bunting. I saved this one for last because it is the most cheerful idea on the entire list, and it makes use of something Dollar Tree stocks abundantly all summer long. Seasonal garden flags. The little decorative banners that stake into flower beds with messages like welcome or cheerful floral patterns. For privacy you use them differently. String a length of jute rope or coated wire between 2 posts, a porch beam and a fence post, or across a balcony railing. Clip 4 or 5 garden flags onto the rope at even intervals using clothespins or small binder clips. The flags hang vertically and create a row of fabric panels that flutter in the breeze and break up sightlines without feeling heavy or permanent. They add color, personality, and partial privacy all at once. Change the flags with the seasons. Bright florals in June, patriotic themes in July, sunflowers in August. The setup costs about $6 and takes 5 minutes to hang. It is the fastest transformation on this list, and it is pure joy. There you have it, 10 DIYs, and every single one of them is built from simple Dollar Tree materials, budget-friendly, easy to make and fast to install. Bamboo stake obelisks that draw the eye upward, lattice panels that create movable privacy walls, tension rod fabric dividers that give you instant seclusion, hula hoop arches that turn a pathway into a garden tunnel, tomato cage obelisks wrapped in twine, bamboo blinds turned into natural screens, macrame plant curtains that grow greener by the week, plastic tablecloth strip screens that dance in the wind, wooden dowel trellis grids with farmhouse charm, and garden flag bunting that brings seasonal color to your privacy setup. Every one of these is temporary, renter-friendly, and HOA compliant. Not a single one requires digging, drilling, or permanent installation. That is what a real garden transformation looks like. Not spending a fortune but seeing the potential in simple things, and putting them together in a way that makes your space feel like you. I want to hear from you now. Which of these 10 DIYs are you going to try this summer? And where in your outdoor space are you planning to put it? Drop that in the comments. If you want more budget garden ideas that make your backyard feel expensive without the price tag, subscribe to Timeless Gardening and join us here. Until next time, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy your garden, and make something beautiful.